Alright, yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, yo. ISHOWSPEED just dropped a song. Not sure how good it is or if it's good at all. I'm just gonna listen to this shit and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I think. Shout out to ISHOWSPEED, yo. ISHOWSPEED did actually show Austin Hall why his name is ISHOWSPEED. He did that boy dirty. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. Come on, yo. Energy is low, but we here. Come on. That boy speed flex on us, bro. That man shows that he's starting the Lamborghini, yo.
Stop playing with him, Ryan.
Drop down. I wanna see you move right now.
Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, yo.
I wanna see you move right now.
And he got the custom Lamborghini. Hold on. Wait a minute. This boy is in love with Cristiano Ronaldo. Ooh, I told you Ronaldo. Alright, yo, let's go.
Now, let's take it to the moon right now. Baby, you such a moon right now. And I told her we taking it up to the top.
I ain't gonna lie. It sounded alright. The beginning sounded alright. I ain't gonna lie.
And I said that we turning this shit up a
Sound like it
notch.
can.
When they playing my song, they said it's a bop. When I dance to the beat like this shit is a bop. I make sure that she.
I don't know, yo. It's not grown people music, but Speed is also a kid, so yeah, don't expect grown people music.
Diva, prima donna. Baby, know that I wanna rock out like it's Nirvana. And find out all about you. Girl, tell me all your problems. Fly you to masicka. You got me thinking about them times.
Alright, Speed. Speed got a little voice going on right there, didn't he?
Getting the money, been on my grind.
Y'all heard that? That high pitch? Alright, Speed. We know it's autotune, bro. Relax. People in the comments are gonna be like, oh, it's autotune. Like, dog, we know. Every artist use autotune. Shut up.
Baby, loving your body, and that's no lie. I'm bugging in my heart. Happy tripping, might lose my mind. Higher, higher. That's on my soul.
On your what? Come on, Speed. Come on, we don't do that.
That's on my soul. That's on my soul. Oh, 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 oh. You got ass in them jeans. She like you hacking, you stream. So I say I rap and I sing. Girl, I can do everything. I'm from the block where I sing. Nigga drop like far from a beam. She like go drive it, she fiend. She wanna touch other knee. She like skin with a fat ass. And I wanna tap, tap, tap that. She talk dirty, I talk back. She wear Chanel on her handbag. Let's stop, they cap, they Big Mac. That Lamborghini too fast. They follow me everywhere I go. PJ to Monaco.
I ain't gonna lie, homeboy killed that shit. He actually executed his verse. I'm not gonna lie. That shit was tough. It wasn't like superb, but it was tough.
Bota, bota, bota. Shawty gon' tell me. Bota, bota, bota. You got me thinking about them times. I been getting the money, been on my grind. Baby, loving your body, and that's no lie. I'm bugging in my heart. Happy tripping, might lose my mind.
Alright, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This is like one of them kid pop music. And that shit is gonna sell, sell, sell. Speed is smart. Speed is making music that he knows that kids are gonna listen to. Because this is definitely a song that you can have your kids play it in the background and not have to wonder if he's gonna say some dumb shit or say some expletives or not. So Speed is smart. That's a great marketing skill. Make some music for kids. Pop music. That's exactly what it is.
I wanna see you move right now. I wanna see you move
gotta drop 6 more.
All right. My honest review on the song is it is a very simple song, very simple. It was put together very simply, obviously. It's not a song that you can say, like a lot of people like me, we're not just gonna be like, I'm gonna go listen to ISHOWSPEED song Higher. You know what I mean? Because it's not really in our realm of music that we'll probably listen to. But if it comes on, I'm definitely gonna be like, hi, yeah, you know what I mean? Because, like I said, hold on, man, I'm losing my voice. Oh, there we go. Like I said, it's a music for kids. It's like pop music, basically. It's music that's gonna get kids hype. You know what I mean? And then it is ISHOWSPEED, and majority of his fan base is kids. So this song is gonna make him a lot of money. I can just tell you guys right now. Whoever his publisher is or his team, they did the right thing by giving him the platform to make this song. That's my honest opinion. However, the song, I'm going to look at the song from a different perspective. Not where I'm looking at, or not what I'm looking for, but what I know he's trying to produce, what he's trying to instigate. I'm going to give the song a 10 out of 10 because this is literally kid bop music. It's literally, that's what it is. There's nothing else to it. It's bop music or whatever they want to call it. Kids bop. That's exactly what it is. And I guarantee you, it's gonna make it to Kids Bop playlist. So, the kid is smart, yo. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And like I said, it wasn't like a crazy rap song where you're gonna hear like bar for bar and shit. No, it's not that. It's literally just a kid bop music that people are gonna say, hey, turn on ISHOWSPEED for the kids. That's literally what it is. So, shout out to Speed. That was a smart move. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.